You smell that? Yep. I got something in the oven. Is that a matter of fact? Yep. And I think you're gonna love it. 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 I've been making this for hours with my brain and my powers. I got the yeast rising up, adding volume to the flour. Got the place to myself and almost nothing to do. I got the dough and the proof, and so I plan my next move. 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 I got the ukulele streaming in the kitchen, I'm cleaning. And when it's finished baking, I can't wait to sink all my teeth into a warm buttered, garlic powdered, covered slice of fresh bread. Digging all the sensations going through my head, chewing up the goodness. Hallelujah, God bless. Silky smooth tenderness, oh my God, it's the best. So damn hot, it'll make you wanna undress. Unless you're gluten free, then you can shun this. Then you can shun this. Cream of the crop, label this a #1 hit. But it looks so good, and maybe you could give it one kiss. Because I know you can't shun this. The bread's got plumpness, brother fist bump this like a little loaf of bread. Get a burger, bun this. Look at these babies as I pull in them out. I got no doubt this smell is drawing up a crowd. But too bad, so sad, there's not enough to go around. But please don't be mad, tomorrow we can eat another round. Too bad, so sad, there's not enough to go around. But please don't be mad, tomorrow we can eat another round. This bread comes from a recipe that my brother found. Ask that girl from Ratatouille, cause she's world renowned. So you don't have to trust me, you can listen to the sound. When you're knocking on the bread, you can hear the crumbles trickle down. 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 Cause Breadbeard's back, rocking a new goatee up in Milwaukee at the 313, where people can see how tasty his bread can be. And here's the real kicker, baby, the smells are for free. So call up Maddie McGee or Joe or Ashley, and you can even call up Ruby wherever he be. No other one thing's for certain, and never forget that when Breadbeard's baking, you can't wait for what's next.
Did you check the alert?